So today we are going to see one scratch catching game. So let's just start it by opening the scratch window. So the window is opened now and we don't need the cat sprite, so I have deleted it. We need two sprites here. One is ball, another is an apple. Now if you will notice, the apple size is a little bit larger than the bowl, so that's why we are just going to change the size by just putting here 80. Now it's okay. Now we need to move the bowl according to the left and right key pressed. For that case, we need to drag and drop few important blocks. So when the flag will be clicked, the project will start, and then suppose the bowl have to move by right arrow key. So our right arrow key pressed, then what will happen? We need to put inside the value, like change the x by 10. Now next we are going to duplicate it, and then we need to change the right arrow by left arrow, and inside that change the x-axis value by -10. Now this should happen for several times when the project will run, so we need to put it inside a control important block known as forever. So if I am running the code, you can see whenever arrows are pressed, this is moving. Now let's just move forward to the next step. Now apple. So what we have to do first, apple will go to the y-axis random position. So in that case, when flag will be clicked, we need to go to motion block and go to the random position option. That block you have to place it, and then set the y to 180, because the y-axis value actually starting from +180 position to -180. Now you can see it is moving randomly. Now the next, we need to make the apple fall down, right, according to our game. So in that case, what can we do? Again, when flag will be clicked, we need to change the y-axis position every time -5, because 180 plus to 180 minus it is moving. But it should happen for as long as the project will run. So again, forever block, we have to put it inside it. Now if I will run the code, you will see the apple is falling down. So falling down is all right. What if it has fallen down to the edge? Now it have to go back, right? So in that case, what we have to do, again see, we have to put a condition. So the condition is like that. We have to see the position, y-axis position is less than 170, -170. If it's so, then again it will move to the random position anywhere in y180. So we have duplicated and we have done this. Now you can see it is moving back. Now the next step, we need to make the apple fall on the bowl, right? And accordingly the game will move forward. So we have created a score variable. Now next, if touching the ball, then it will go to the random position, and we are going to set the score at first by 0, and every time it will touch the ball, we have to change the score by 1. So that is how we have used the variable. Now everything have to be put it inside forever block until the project will stop. The project should run. Now let's just see while we run what will happen. So whenever it is touching the ball, you can see the score is changing. Now it's 1, now it's 2, now it's 3. So this is what I wanted to show you today. So this is how we can make this simple game in Scratch. I hope you people have enjoyed it. Best of luck.